Oh no, I broke my punch. Have you ever had that thought? Maybe you were working in your craft room or you had somebody borrow it, this piece popped out, and you thought it was broken for good. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Welcome to my channel. This is Michelle with Paper Stamp Ink. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, ring the bell so you don't miss out on future tips and techniques. Let's talk about Stampin' Up! Punches. I love punches. If you've watched my videos, you know that I'm a believer in having a wide variety of punches in your tool chest. And these are so easy to use and add so much to your projects. And this one is one that has the piece installed. So one of the things I love about the Stampin' Up! Punches is that they close up nice and neat. So we can either stack them like this on a shelf where you can see all of the fronts, or when you're working in your craft room on your projects and you have a few of these out, it's nice to just have them off to the side, nice compact footprint. Or if you prefer to have them stored on a shelf and stacked, you can do that as well when they're in this flat position. Now, it's got this little locking mechanism here. We push that forward and it opens up so that we can actually punch our papers out. When you're done, close it back up. Aren't those great? So this is my pretty label punch. This is one of my go-to punches. This one as well. This is the classic label punch, and it's great for those small sentiment strips. But we're going to fix this one right now. Now, sometimes I have ladies at my classes who aren't familiar with Stampin' Up! or you know, hey, sometimes I'm not paying attention myself and try to close it when it's in the open position. So this piece can pop out fairly easily, but it's not going to ruin your stamp. You're still going to be able to close that up. So let's take a look at the bottom of this before I put that in there. You'll see this has a wider spot on the platform over here and a very narrow portion on the other side of these prongs. We're going to take the narrow portion and face this end of the punch, okay, away from the actual punching mechanism. Now, we're going to kind of jimmy this in here, and you can give it a nice little push. You'll hear that lock in place, and now it's ready to go. So your open position is when this is pushed towards the punch. Close that up, slide this back, and now it's in the locked position. And now we can stack those punches up nice and neat on our shelves. So I hope this was helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tip. Make sure that you let me know in the comments if there are other things that you would like me to address in future videos. And again, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss out on any great projects. Until we talk again, make sure you grab your paper, stamp, and ink and do something creative.